Expansion foam can fill oversized drywall anchor holes, but it is rarely the best choice for a secure, long-term anchor. Expansion foam expands to fill voids and can bond to gypsum, but its cured strength is low compared with purpose-made repair materials. For light fixtures or picture hangings under a few pounds, apply minimal expanding foam, let it fully cure per manufacturer instructions, then trim flush and use a hollow wall anchor designed for filled cavities. For anything carrying vertical load or dynamic stress, do not rely on foam alone. Instead, cut out a small square around the damaged area. Insert a backer plate or wood block behind the drywall by feeding it through the opening and screwing it to studs if possible. Then patch with setting type joint compound or lightweight patching plaster and sand smooth before re-drilling for a proper anchor. When using foam for non-structural filling, wear gloves and eye protection and use low expansion formulas intended for minimal pressure to avoid bulging the drywall. If the drywall paper is badly torn, reinforce the area with fiberglass mesh tape embedded in the compound to prevent tears from propagating when an anchor is loaded. Common mistakes include assuming cured foam provides comparable shear and tensile strength to solid substrates, which leads to fixture failure. The fix is to treat foam fills as temporary and use mechanical backing or proper anchors for any load. Another mistake is overfilling with high expansion foam that deforms the drywall and creates irregular patch surfaces. Avoid this by using low expansion products and trimming excess before it fully cures. A third issue is re-drilling directly into foam, which can pull out under load. Instead, remove the patch to install a wood backing or use a heavy-duty hollow wall anchor designed for filled cavities and follow manufacturer load ratings. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work that matches their skills. We also host an active discussion community where users and professionals share real repair experiences, techniques, and product recommendations.